Hi. Right, hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Amin Firman bin Badri Hisham from DPI 4B and my matrix number is 11 DPI 23F 1005 and this is my partner.
My name is Sakajin. ID number is 11 DPI 23 F 1031.
Alright guys. For the first question, we must scan the question and it directs to the link YouTube and we already summarize it. So what we summarize from the video. So the video is about the HS code of the product. So the summary of the video that we get is, first thing first, we must clear about what things that we want to import. Alright, so next one, according to the video, they want to import the camera DSLR type. So what are the things that we have to know about DSLR, such as is specification, types and others. So why we must know all the specification? Because it may be have the special rules according to the item, right? So after we know what type of item that we want to import, we can find the HS code. So according to the video we summarize, it is code 5 it is coding as a 8525. So the special code is important to know the import duty and the SST amount. So it can be 5%, 10%, according to the amount and the category of the item. That is we get from the summarize of the video. So let's say the DSLR item is price RM3000, SST 10%, right? So alright guys, so when RM3000 times 10% of SST, it will become RM300 for the tax, right guys? So that is the price that we must pay when the item arrive in the Malaysia. So who is the responsible one that calculate this? Is a Malaysian custom and paid in the help of the forwarder agent. So that is the summarize that I get from the video. So we move to the next question, which is question 2. Alright, so this is the question. Understand the following step by step calculation of total import cost for a company that imports 1000 mobile phone into Malaysia. So this is the picture and you guys can see the whole detail that we will calculate for you guys. So according to the question, the first one is CIF value per unit, which is we get in here RM500, import duty rate 15% and sales tax rate is 10%. Alright guys, so according to the question, we have to find the total CIF value for 1000 unit, right? So this is how we calculate the CIF value for 1000 unit. First, we have to take the CIF value per unit, which is RM500. So the 500 we times 1000 because of the imports of 1000 mobile phone. So RM500 times 1000, we get RM500,000, right? So the next one is import duty. So the formula of import duty, you guys can see the picture here. So import duty equals to CIF value times import duty rate per 100. Alright guys, so we take the RM500,000, we times 15 per 100. Why 15? It is import duty rate that state in the question. So we get RM75,000. Alright, so for the next is sales tax. I will put the reference here for the formula. Alright, so the formula is sales tax equals to bracket CIF value plus import duty, close the bracket, times sales tax rate over 100. Alright, so for the amount, we calculate sales tax equals to bracket RM 500,000 plus RM 75,000. So close the bracket and we times 10 over 100. So 500,000 plus RM 75,000, we get 575,000. We must times 10 over 100. So we get 57,500. So that is the answer for the sales tax. Alright guys, we continue for the last one, which is total import cost. Alright guys, so the formula which is CIF value plus import duty plus sales tax. So we have to add on all the previous answer that we get. So the calculation will be RM 500,000 plus 75,000 plus RM 57,500. So we get the total is 632,500. So that's all from me for question 1. I will pass this to my partner to solve the question 2.
The next question is about use the website to find the HS code and import duty rate for a company that import 2,000 letter into Malaysia. Okay, how to calculate the CIF value? The CIF value have 5,000, and then the question is already said about 2,000 letter unit, so that we times it. CIF value 5,000 times the 2,000, and then the answer is 10 million. Okay, the first question. Import duty. Import duty formula is that CIF value times the import duty rate over the 100. So then 10 million times the 0 over 100. The answer is 0. And then how to get the import duty rate? We find in website, the website is set about 0, so that we use 0 to calculate the import duty. Number 2 question. Sales tax. Sales tax formula is that CIF value add the import duty times the sales tax rate over the 100. Then we settled already first 10 million at 0. After that, we times the 10% over the 100. So that lastly, we get the 1 million. Okay, sales tax is 1 million. The last question is total import cost. Total import cost is all that we calculate, add together to find the numbers. Okay, total cost is CIF value, add import duty, add sales tax. Okay, 10 million, add 0, add 1 million. The final answer is 11 million. So that's all for me. Thank you.